Hi guys, happy Friday, August 2nd. I cannot believe it's already August. So Brian has the day off and we plan on just doing a little things around the house. There's a few like rugs we need to take to Goodwill that we've had for a while that we just simply do not use. They're in good condition, but again, we just don't use them. And then he said he wanted to trim up some trees. So I think we're gonna do that today. And then of course, I'm just gonna take you along with me the rest of the weekend. One of the many things I love about Brian is that he is not a lazy guy. While he's outside finding super random stuff to do, I'm gonna make us some lunch. As of right now, I really don't have anything huge in mind or in particular. I just know I want some sweet potatoes. So I'm just going to peel these and then go from there. I'm making a pretty decent amount of sweet potatoes because you can never go wrong with some leftovers. I'm just using salt and pepper and then onion and herb seasoning. Herb? It's totally herb. Oh, that just looks phenomenal. Oh my gosh. This is insane. I decided to head out on a walk because it just felt like a slug at home. Yeah, I don't know, I just felt like I wasn't doing anything productive at home, even though I kind of was. I just needed to get out of the house. So I'm here now. I don't know how long of a walk I'm gonna take, but just something to get me out of the house. Okay, honestly, no time like the present. You can see this behind me. That is embarrassingly enough all swimsuits. 95% swimsuits. There's some like underwear in there, but 95% swimsuits. I've been meaning to go through it for like 2 years now. It is 8 p.m. and Brian is still working outside. He's getting a lot done. I love it. And I'm not about to tell him to come inside. He's probably going to come inside kind of soon here just so he's not loud for the neighbors, but I should get this done too. He's getting so much done, so I feel like I need to get so much done. And talk about like overconsumption. I definitely have not purchased all of these. If you guys remember in my heyday, I used to do swimsuit try-ons like no other. Shein and Fashion Nova especially. Those were like my two bigger ones. And I've tried from everybody. Black Bow, like Princess Polly, so many clothing brands. So these majority have been sent to me. This would be so much money if I just purchased them. I'm very lucky, but I will be going through these. I'm essentially going to be putting all like my underwear and stuff in these little Shein bags so far. I'm really just aiming for like keeping just the basics. Like obviously there's going to be some cute stuff I'm going to have to keep and some things that I will probably want along the way. Never worn this, but I'm like, honestly, it probably doesn't hurt to have a one piece. This is low-key cute. And some of this stuff like I have not seen in years. Like what? I am officially like getting rid of over half, which I am very happy about. I still have a lot of stuff. That's better than where I started, truthfully. So, and like I said, in these little dusters, well, I'm actually just gonna put all of these bags in one. That's just a swimsuit I haven't opened yet, but I'm gonna put these bags in one little thing, which is just underwear and stuff. bam. That is it. Oh my gosh, compared to what I had though. And honestly, that took me like 15 minutes. And just like that, it's already dinner time. So I'm just making some quinoa, and then Brian's mom gave us some pulled pork. So I'm just heating that up. And we're literally just gonna have quinoa and pulled pork over that. Okay, I've been helping Brian all day and I'm running a little bit behind. Nothing crazy, but my friend is coming to pick me up at like 4:30. It's 2:30 and I just got out of the shower. So my hair takes forever to dry. That's why I'm kind of like freaking out a little bit. And I also want to film my makeup and outfit for Instagram or a reel, or I don't know. I want to get that done. I want to get that going. Like I said, it's 2:40 now, so. Okay, I'm doing pretty good on time. Not doing very good at my makeup. I don't know, my makeup hasn't turned out great in like forever. I just keep getting like a muddy cheek. I feel like on camera it really picks it up. So whatever, I just have to go with the flow. I have a high expectation for myself, but I don't always meet it, so that's great. My face was really dark too, and then my neck was just so white, but my chest is tan, so I just really need to make sure I get enough product on my neck. I'm just gonna move on to my eyes, and I'm gonna take this Makeup by Mario palette. I got this for my birthday and it's literally my favorite palette ever. But if you guys want to see the full look, make sure you look on my Instagram. All right, we did it, and my rush was honestly for nothing because the time I was supposed to be picked up got pushed back a little bit. So I tried the new GHD Dual Blow Dry. Guys, I like it a lot. It took me literally 20 minutes, which was insane. I kept looking at the clock and like only 2 minutes have gone by. Like I felt like I was doing my hair forever, but it only took me 20 minutes, which is amazing. Honestly, everything worked out just fine. I do have to pick out an outfit though. Okay, I'm like disappointed in myself how long it took me to find an outfit. I'm not kidding you. I put this outfit on and I had the intention of making a reel in it, which I did. And then I was like, okay, I'm not wearing this. I've changed probably 10 times. I'm not joking. 'Cause I don't even know the vibe of this place. I've never been there. So I guess I'm just going cute for myself and whatever, but this bandeau top is from H&M. I just rolled it up a little bit so it gives me a little bit of a midriff. And then these are the pepper mayo pants. I'm wearing a JWPI purse for a little color. It's green, and then just some chunky like sandals. Okay, just kidding. My friend said it was way more casual and I changed to jeans and like a cute top. And I'm just so disappointed in myself. Like I don't have any cute shoes, really. These are not cute. Oh my God, do I change again? Fuck. I have now changed 20 times. Like, oh my God. I had never been to this place, but I really liked the atmosphere right on the lake. Immediately when we got there, we ordered drinks. I got a margarita, and then I also got this amazing salad. Chicken tenders were apparently subpar, but then we went out on the docks, and this was the view at sunset. It was so pretty. Like I said, I had never been up here. This is right in Minnetonka. And then after this, it was like 8 o'clock, 8:30. We decided to leave, and then we went to another spot just to grab a quick drink outside, just chat a little bit longer, continue the girls' night. And I got a glass of wine, and then, yeah, we decided to head home. Okay, I just got home to a bunch of packages. I actually have 3 packages here. I want to say this is NARS. It is. This is NARS, their exclusive Nordstrom collection. The perfect pair. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How stunning. The mini multiple duo. Looks like blush and bronzer. And then Power Matte High Intensity Lip Pencil Duo. Oh my gosh. And then the iconic blush duo. Oh my goodness. In these insane names. I'm not even gonna say them out loud. Okay, this was so exciting. Thank you, NARS. Next up, this feels like a liquid, and it's from Prime Hydration, okay? Everybody's like coming out with their Halloween stuff already, which is insane. But this is Glowberry from Prime. I actually like really like their stuff. I feel like a little kid for saying that, but which is terrible that I feel like that, but these are actually really good. And then this next one is from Alani Nu, and I don't know if I can show it to you guys yet. Okay, I have to look and see, but I don't know if I can show you guys this. Okay, I was a day early, but it is August 5th, and they are just relaunching Witch's Brew, which is more of a candy apple caramel flavor. They release it every Halloween, and then it goes away, but it is so good, you guys. Literally one of my favorite flavors, my top 3. So yummy, and they have new packaging, almost like Beetlejuice inspired, it looks like.